You need to know this about the Milescraft 1312 drill block. The last part will blow your mind. Good news, we have a special deal in the description. When it comes to precision drilling, the Milescraft 131 drill block is a game changer. This nifty tool has been making waves in the world of DIY enthusiasts, and for a good reason. To help you make an informed decision, we've aggregated the reviews available on Amazon, highlighting the pros and cons of the Milescraft 1312 drill block. Pros: the drill block is designed to ensure accurate drilling every time. It helps maintain a consistent angle and depth, resulting in professional-looking holes. Whether you're working on woodworking projects, home renovations, or crafting, the drill block accommodates a wide range of drill bit sizes, making it a versatile addition to your toolkit. Beginners and experienced do-it-yourselfers alike appreciate the simplicity of this tool. It's easy to set up and use, saving you time and frustration. Durable build. Constructed with high-quality materials, the drill block is built to withstand heavy use, ensuring it will be a long-lasting companion for your projects. Cost-effective. Considering the precision and ease it brings to your projects, the Milescraft 1312 drill block is an excellent investment that won't break the bank. Cons. Not ideal for large projects. While it's fantastic for smaller to medium-sized projects, the drill block may not be the best choice for significant construction or woodworking projects. Requires some practice. Achieving the best results may take a little practice, especially if you're new to using this type of tool. But with a bit of patience, you'll quickly master it. Occasional slippage. Some users have reported occasional slippage, so it's essential to ensure you have a firm grip on the drill block during use. In conclusion, the Milescraft 1312 drill block is a must-have for anyone looking to step up their DIY game. Its precision and ease of use make it a valuable addition to your tool collection. Get yours now and take advantage of the special deal in the description. Your next project will thank you.